Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Wells Fargo card decline how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is check your balance. To do it, simply head over and open up your Wells Fargo app, and then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged in using your username and password, and then tap on sign on. Then once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the given accounts and then check your available balance. You can also see the available balance on your home screen as well, and then second step is to confirm your card is active or not. To do this, simply tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then on the options, you'll find an option that says cards. Simply select that, and now check your card status. If it says locked, simply tap on unlock. The next is enable transaction times. Sometimes international or online transactions are turned off. Open the app, then simply tap on the menu, then tap on cards once again, and then tap on control settings. Then turn on online purchases, ATM withdrawals, international transaction if needed. The next step or method is check for fraud alert. Wells Fargo may block your transaction for security reasons. Look for a notification in the app or check your message and open or verify the transaction if requested. The next step is update PIN if ATM is declined. If your ATM PIN is wrong, simply open up the app and log into your account, then tap on menu once again, then select cards once again, and then select the option change PIN and change the PIN. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.